Hey there, today I will tell you, yes you, how you can make $100,000 even if you're a teenager. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's totally double, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So the first method is creating YouTube KKA channels. You might have heard about this, but let me explain it in the easiest way possible. What is a Cascade channel? It's a YouTube channel where you don't have to show your yes. You can still make money. Instead of becoming a big influencer, you create content around popular topics. This could be tech, health, finance, travel, or relationships. Here is how it works. Pick a topic, come up with some cool video ideas, and no, you don't have to think of them yourself. Some tools help you generate ideas, then write scripts, get a voiceover. You can even use a tools for this. Put it all together with stocked footage. Easy, right? And guess what? This can bring in some serious cash. You can earn a few $100 monthly even with a small channel. Now imagine growing that channel to hundreds of thousands of subscribers. The sky is the limit. One example I found is a channel covering the latest AI technology. They don't show their face. Their videos are mostly voiceovers with relevant clips. This channel pulls in all for 100,000 views a month. It could be making nearly 8,500 monthly just from ads. And the best part, once you create these videos, they keep making money while you sleep. That's what I call working smart, not hard. So go out there, chase those dreams, and who knows, you might just be the next teen millionaire. Don't forget to check out our previous video here for more money making hacks. Together we will reach the top. So hit the subscribe button and join me, girls, and like this video. We are doing this just for you.